Well, today we're diving deep into YouTube automation.
A strategy for building a YouTube channel that can work even when you're not directly involved.
It's about creating a systematized channel that practically runs itself.
Yeah, it's like building a well-oiled machine. You get all the parts in place, working smoothly,
And then,
and it can generate views and revenue with less direct input from you.
okay, I'm intrigued. But before we jump ahead, let's break down niche selection, the first crucial step.
You're absolutely right. Picking the right niche is the foundation of a successful YouTube automation strategy.
So how do we find that sweet spot?
Something with high audience interest, good monetization potential, and ideally something you're genuinely passionate about.
Passion keeps you going for sure, but how can we make sure there's even an audience for content in this space
Well, there's tools available.
to validate a niche idea before going all in?
Yeah. Like Income School, for example. They saw a gap in the market for practical, actionable advice on building online businesses.
And their success proves they were right.
You can use tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush to analyze search volume
I've heard of those.
for potential keywords, gauge the competition, and see if there's an active community.
So it's not just about gut feeling. We can back up our instincts with data. That's reassuring.
Okay.
Okay, so once we have a promising niche, what's next?
Time to build the channel itself.
Okay.
And that starts with a strong brand identity. Think of it like crafting a first impression.
Gotcha.
You need a catchy name, a memorable logo, channel art. That visually represents your niche and instantly tells the viewers what your channel is about.
Like setting the stage
Yes.
for the content. But speaking of content, isn't creating engaging videos the most time-consuming part of YouTube? How does automation even come into play here?
That's where things get really interesting.
Uh,
Instead of making videos manually, we can leverage systems and tools.
to streamline the process?
Yeah, the content pillars.
Content pillar.
These are core themes. They provide structure and consistency for your channel.
Could you give us an example?
For example, if your niche is travel, your pillars might be destination guides, travel tips, gear reviews, and maybe even personal travel vlogs.
Okay, so content pillars are like the blueprint for the content strategy
Exactly. They help you stay organized and ensure you're consistently delivering value.
to the audience.
Yeah.
Mm.
And once you have your pillars, you can start brainstorming video ideas that align with them. Keyword research is still crucial here. We want to make sure those ideas are things people are actually searching for.
On YouTube.
Yes. Tools like TubeBuddy can help you identify high-volume keywords and even analyze your competitors' content.
This is starting to feel like a well-orchestrated plan, not just random video uploads, but let's talk about the creation process. Script writing, filming, editing, that all takes time and expertise.
True. But remember, we're all about leveraging automation.
Right.
There's a spectrum of options here. You could outsource script writing to freelance platforms like Upwork. Use AI tools like Pictory.ai to generate video scripts,
From?
blog posts, or even explore AI video generators like Synthesia that can create entire videos from text prompts.
Well, an AI that can create videos. That sounds futuristic.
Think of it like having a virtual video production team.
Wow.
These AI tools are becoming incredibly sophisticated,
Yeah.
using machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and create visually appealing videos with voiceovers, music, and even stock footage.
Really?
It's not perfect yet, but it's evolving rapidly and offers a powerful way to automate content creation.
That's mind-blowing. It seems like the possibilities are practically endless. But I imagine there are some ethical considerations.
Right.
We wouldn't want to sacrifice quality or authenticity for efficiency.
You're absolutely right. While automation can be a game changer, it's essential to use it responsibly. We'll delve deeper into those considerations in the next part,
Okay.
exploring how to strike the right balance between automation and human creativity.
That's something I'm definitely keen to learn more about. It sounds like we've just scratched the surface of what's possible. I'm eager to hear more about how to optimize our videos, build a loyal audience, and of course, explore those monetization strategies.
You got it. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll uncover even more strategies and tools to help you build your automated YouTube empire. Welcome back. Excited to continue our exploration of YouTube automation.
Me too. Last time we talked about niche selection, branding, and even AI video generation.
Right.
My mind is still reeling. But before we get too caught up in the tech, I think it's important to address the human side of things.
Yeah.
How do we ensure authenticity and build a genuine connection with our audience when we're using automation?
That's a great question. It's something a lot of creators grapple with. The key is to remember that automation is a tool,
Okay.
not a replacement for your unique voice and perspective.
So we can still be the face of our channel.
Exactly. It's a way to amplify your message,
Mm.
not to create a generic faceless channel.
Like Project Life Mastery.
Yeah. While they utilize automation, the founder, Stefan James, is very much the heart and soul.
Right.
His personality shines through.
And he engages with his community.
Yes.
That's reassuring. I was worried automation meant sacrificing the personal touch.
Not at all.
But it sounds like we can leverage these tools to free up time.
Exactly. Free up your time and energy so you can focus on those high-impact activities.
Like connecting with the audience.
Exactly. And speaking of audience connection, one of the biggest misconceptions about YouTube automation is that it's all about set it and forget it.
So we can't just upload a bunch of videos and expect them to magically go viral.
I wish it were that easy. Building a thriving YouTube channel requires consistent effort, whether it's automated or not. Think of it like a garden. You need to plant the seeds, nurture the plants, and tend to the weeds regularly.
Tending to the weeds?
Wow.
What does that look like with YouTube automation?
It involves constantly analyzing data, looking for patterns and trends, and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Are certain types of videos performing better? Are there specific keywords driving traffic to your channel? Are viewers engaging more with certain types of content? Or calls to action?
So it's about using data to make informed decisions. I imagine tools like YouTube Analytics can be helpful.
YouTube Analytics is a goldmine of information. It provides insights into your audience demographics, watch time, engagement metrics, and revenue data.
Wow.
By regularly reviewing these metrics, you can identify what's working, what's not,
And make adjustments.
to your content and strategies.
This is starting to feel less like automation and more like a data-driven approach to YouTube. But isn't that a good thing?
Absolutely. YouTube automation isn't about replacing human intelligence. It's about using technology to augment our capabilities.
And make smarter decisions.
Okay. Oh,
One of the most important decisions is how to effectively promote our videos. After all, what good is amazing content if no one sees it?
exactly. That's where a multifaceted promotion strategy comes in. We can leverage social media platforms,
It's like
Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, to share snippets of our videos behind-the-scenes content. We can even run targeted ads to reach new audiences.
So it's about thinking beyond YouTube itself and using other channels to drive traffic back to our videos. And what about community engagement? Is that still important, even if we're automating content creation?
Absolutely. Building a strong community is essential for any successful YouTube channel.
But how do we manage community engagement at scale, especially with an automated channel? Responding to every comment and message seems daunting.
You're right. That's where tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can be helpful. These platforms allow you to schedule social media posts, monitor mentions of your channel, and even manage comments from multiple platforms, all in a centralized dashboard.
Wow, that's a lifesaver. It sounds like the right tools make a big difference.
They do. And don't underestimate the power of creating content specifically designed to spark conversation. Ask questions in your videos, run polls in the YouTube Community tab, and even host live Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time.
It's about finding creative ways to engage viewers even when we're not physically present. But what about monetization? We've talked a lot about creating content and building an audience, but how do we actually turn our YouTube automation efforts into profit? That's the question on everyone's mind when it comes to YouTube. How do we actually turn views and subscribers into cold, hard cash?
Well, the good news is YouTube offers a variety of monetization methods.
Okay, let's break those down. What are some of the most common ways YouTubers generate revenue?
The most straightforward is ad revenue. Once your channel hits YouTube's eligibility requirements,
Which are?
1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can enable monetization and start earning money from ads.
From the ads displayed on your videos.
Exactly.
Ah, yes, those pre-roll, mid-roll, and banner ads. But it's not just about getting views, is it? Engagement plays a role, too.
Absolutely. Viewer engagement is key. The longer viewers watch your videos,
The more ads they see.
the more ads they're exposed to, the more you earn. That's why creating high-quality, engaging content that keeps people hooked is so important.
It's not just about churning out as many videos as possible. It's about making sure those videos are captivating.
And valuable to your audience.
But ad revenue isn't the only game in town. What are some other monetization strategies?
Affiliate marketing is another popular avenue. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission.
So, for instance, if my channel is all about DIY home renovations, I could partner with a hardware store or a tool company. and include affiliate links to their product.
Exactly. You can go beyond just dropping links in the description. You could create dedicated product review videos,
Oh, right.
offer exclusive discount codes to your viewers, or even showcase how you use those products
Yeah.
in your own projects.
It's all about